In terms of the election of the next prosecutor, there are fewer more important decisions for state parties to make. The prosecution serves for 9 years and drives the work of the courts through decisions about what cases to bring and how those cases are brought. This year, state parties have put in place some new and I think important elements aimed at guiding the decision making. This included tasking a panel of independent experts to assist the election committee in drawing up a short list of candidates from all of those who applied. And in addition to that, it has instituted a public hearing where every member of the public can see all of the 4 shortlisted candidates side by side. While, no doubt the process can continue to be strengthened, these new elements represent important innovations that hopefully would help to keep merit and the qualifications of the candidates front and center. It should hopefully also minimize campaigning and deal making, which are out of step with the nature of the court as an independent judicial institution. The election for this position is too important for anything but merit to guide the decision. However, what we have seen this year is that the process has proven to be contentious. It is unclear, at least from where we sit, how state parties intend to proceed from here, as they could consider whether to add additional candidates to those already in consideration in the short list. But whatever comes next, we and at Human Rights Watch and many other NGOs are urging state parties to ensure that the process remains fair, that it is transparent, and that it provides for vigorous and rigorous scrutiny of all candidates. When it comes to the next steps that state parties should be looking at for especially the qualities of the next prosecutor, we believe that for that person to deliver on the ICC's mandate, they need to be a person of high moral character, clear dedication to justice, with extensive practical experience in the adjudication of criminal cases. And while this is always true, but it is even more so now that the court is faced with this, the type of unprecedented threats for doing exactly its job. Merit should also mean for the prosecutor a determination to act with full independence, to hold even the most powerful to account. Although it may sound counterintuitive, given all of the internal and external challenges that the court is facing, but it is exactly because of this difficult landscape that the court and its prosecutor need to remain true to the ambitions and visions that drove its founding 22 years ago. And to do that, the prosecutor of the court needs to be a person who is relentless in defending justice and defending its office and the court against the pressure to compromise its mandate. The job of an ICC prosecutor is not easy, but by undertaking a process that looks for a candidate who would resolutely pursue tough cases with full independence, state parties will be making it clear that they stand ready to do all they can on behalf of justice.